There's my radial flow filter, and I've got the water hyacinth growing on the top of it here. They tend to do a little more filtering, kind of act like a weir or a barrier to slow down some of the junk flowing out the top. My methodology, if you can see it here, I've got a pump that I've put a hose on the, this is a submersible pump. This is an Alpine 2,000 or 3,000 liter per hour series. And got a hose, and I'm dumping it in that worm bed over there. So what I do is kind of drop this down in there, and you want it face first on the bottom. So, if you hold it by the power cord, which I'm sure there's reasons why not to do that. But hold it by the power cord, and that will get it face first down. I'm just going to plug it in, and you'll see the water coming out. All this nasty fish poop, and still worms will love. Some kind of water in the worm bed. I do need to add a little more compost to this. And this needs a cover too, so it cleared up there. So I'm just going to go over here, move it around a little bit. A little inside to see it's getting dark and nasty again. So all this stuff that settled to the bottom now we pumped out. And I'll probably move it one more time here. One more area of the, kind of flip it around. Just not really cooperating all that well. Set it down there. You get a little more sludgy. Yeah, more sludge coming out. Kind of let that run clear. And we're done. Oop, wrong one. Unplug it. And we're good. I'll put the plants back in, but you don't need to see that.